So the musician is reading through. Please read all the articles so that in future you don't say you didn't read. I'm also very soon unveiling my musicians. You will also sign the contracts, please. Yes. So if everything is okay, yeah?
No, it's okay.
It is very okay.
Raypan.
So Raypan ogenda kujjako wano ekyo kye bakola omuyimbi assigning okubanga kati ali fully under Raypan Management. Nengo batwera kukosa kazinda. Sente zo ze bakusasudde. Kati awo kyakola omuyimbi yeewaayo mu buwambe.
Alright, yes, oli ku Glosh TV nga bulijjo nateera njagala kubanga nkubuuzaako muganda wange gwe wenna atugoberera wano ku mukutu gwaffe gwa YouTube nti wasiibye otya ogamba otya kasubire oli bulungi. Nateera nkujjukiza nti nja kusaba muganda wange genda wansaawo osubscribinge olikinge ateera osharinge still osobola okomentinga okusinzira ku video eno nga woba okoze ki nga woba ojabe. Nateera nyongera okubanga nkujjukiza gwe wenna eyandyetaaze okubanga olanga naffe aba Glosh TV osobola okubanga otunoonyako kanamba kaffe ak'essimu 0750312083 oba 0750312083 ojja kubanga osobola okubanga otufuna tujja kubanga tukulangira bizinesi yo osobola okubanga naawe ogikuba abantu mu maaso.
Omuyimbi w'eggwanga shuka. The musician akajja kuwamba omukundi muwanvu mukale sijja kusobola bakusasudde. So, thank you very much. Is it a good afternoon? Yeah. So, how are everyone?
Hi, Zubedah.
Hi. Are you okay? Have you got something to eat? Yeah, today is a very different day. I'm seeing my musician, Black Sugar, the one with the trending songs, Sofam, and my Moko. So I'm here to present the contract. Yes, after injecting our money, we don't want the musician to run away or to change colors. We want you, the boss is coming, you are going to sign, you are allowed to read through and see if there is no anything that can take you to prison. Yes, musicians change. So this is a very different management. Read through if you can get a lawyer for you to read through so that you don't go to prison. Read through without panicking. Yes. Eh? Chinene. Chinene. So the musician is reading through. Please read all the articles so that in future you don't say you didn't read. I'm also very soon unveiling my musicians. You will also sign the contracts, please. Yes. So if everything is okay, yeah?
No,
it's okay.
It is very okay.
Raypan.
So Raypan ogenda kujjako wano ekyo kye bakola omuyimbi assigning okubanga kati ali fully under Raypan Management. Nengo batwera kukosa kazinda. Sente zo ze bakusasudde. kati awo kyakola Omuyimbi yeewaayo mu buwambe. Okubeera nga takyayinza kukola kintu kyonna nga yeeyagalidde. Okuggyako nga tugambye ng'agambye omukulu. Buli lupapula mukama wange. Funny. Can do it slow again. At what your famous wine in dog wambe. Kati wandigidde ddala wano. Mbaala by'okuyita nze. Kajjanja yakakuli mu buddugavu bwo. So famous is now under management. Kati empewo zeewammwe ozigamba neoteekwasa management. Kikulu nnyo okubeera under management. Mumukubireko mu bugalo mugyeemu fitina. Yes. So ndowooza kati nze ogwange guba gwe mukama akamala osayininga ngenda nzijemu. Ogwandeese guba guwedde. So kati omwaka guba gutandise eri famous. Sekyo? Kati bakuwa n'ennyumba. Motoka naye bagamba ko motoka nga bali abawala. Yo bw'obuwala bulina fitina lwaki tebuliiwo leero? Manager. Gwe tewaliwo ku lwabwe. Waliwo ndowooza efitina etandikidde ekibiina anti muli management y'emu. Ogenda wuulira kati eddogo. So kiwedde bannaaye. Handshake manager, aina manager we Sanchez. Your copy. Mukulu ajja kwetaaga copy ye. Do I have any copy? Kale kati nsaba mugagga wange inanzigiremu. Ogwange guwedde. Ono mmaze okukola. Emirimu gyaliyo kati nze mmaze okukola. Mwaddamu gwakwata kamera. Ojjategeera.
Alright, yes, oli ku Glosh TV nga bulijjo nateera njagala kubanga nkubuuzaako muganda wange gwe wenna atugoberera wano ku mukutu gwaffe gwa YouTube nti wasiibye otya ogamba otya kasubire oli bulungi. Nateera nkujjukiza nti nja kusaba muganda wange genda wansaawo osubscribinge olikinge ateera osharinge still osobola okomentinga okusinzira ku video eno nga woba okoze ki nga woba ojabe. Nateera nyongera okubanga nkujjukiza gwe wenna eyandyetaaza okubanga olanga naffe aba Glosh TV osobola okubanga otunoonyako kanamba kaffe ak'essimu 0750312083 oba 0750312083. ojja kubanga osobola okubanga otufuna, tujja kubanga tukulangira bizinesi yo, osobola okubanga naawe ogikuba abantu mu maaso.
Very, very, very happy right now. The happiness I can't express. All protocol observed. All the powerhouses in the house, the vocal powerhouses. My day to be signed under rape and management, and I'm so grateful that everyone and each one of you really took time to come and grace this this function where we're going to witness the signing of famous under rape and management. I just want to give a little bit about me and probably the feeling I have right now. Well, I've already mentioned we already have a few records out there. So I would like to mention that it has been a very impeccable journey for me to this time. But I think today is giving a very big platform that is a testament that probably this journey that I had started has just started. And I'm very, very hopeful that everything that we are going to do henceforth will be for the good of our fans. The media right here who have been, actually they have been, you guys have been a part of my journey. I know right now we're just making it official, but I've worked with everyone here almost personally, and also underground with Ray Pan Management. Well, it has been hard work that I put in personally, that probably the management has been able to put aside a moment and say, you know what, I think with your hard work, your effort, and every other bit of art that you've put in your work, we are able to work with you and probably support you in any way possible, and I really, really appreciate that. I want to appreciate Repan Management. I know I've not signed the contract, but that is why we are here. I want to appreciate Repan Management for taking some time to recognize the star in me, and really taking the effort to then bring it to table. And probably, I know behind curtains they have discussed this, and then they decided that, you know what, this is a talent probably we could take on and nurture and probably take to greater heights. Me alone, there are levels really I couldn't reach. There are people I couldn't meet. Everyone here, me alone, probably I wouldn't have met any one of them, I can assure you, because my efforts are way less than what probably the management would give me. And here we are. Probably, who knows, we'll even have it beyond here, beyond Uganda, have better and bigger platforms. But all I wish for is for us to remain together. Let this not be just a one-off, but let us remain together. People just seated beside me, and people just in front of us, the media. Please, I request that we stay together. Let's be in this together, because I'm here to stay. I'm here to do my best, and I assure each one, and even those who are not here, probably people who have grown into my fans. I know my fan base is still growing, but the little that I've grown really so far to become my fan base, we assure you that this is the beginning of probably a great chapter, a big chapter that is probably will be filled with great music, very beautiful music, and I assure you to give you my best. I won't say much, but that is all really I can say. Thank you everyone for making it here, and I hope we stay as one piece.